Hello dear customers, today I am in our QLQ workshop. So today I will show you our QLQ semi-automatic non-lock slider assembly machine. So this part of the machine is vibrating disc, and this channel for sliding the slider smoothly, and this one is rotating disc for slider bodies. And you need one worker to put these pullers on this slider body. The output of this machine is from 80 to 100 pieces per minute, and that also depends upon the experience of your worker. The length of this machine is 1.2 meter, and the width of this machine is 0.9 meter, and the height is 1.1 meter. So it is very easy to operate this machine. In this model, we have improved this channel as traditional model, because in traditional model this channel vibrating and do some scratches to the color, but in this model this path is very smooth and it is very easy to move the sliders from this channel. And even if you use the color sliders, the color will not stretch easily. So this pedal is to stop this disc. Actually, when your worker need to put the pullers on the slider body, he need to stop from this pedal, and then he can put these pullers easily, and then he can again press the pedal to rotate the disc again. So this is our QLQ semi-automatic non-lock slider assembly machine. If you want to know more information, welcome to contact me. Thank you.